Say welcome to that Louisiana bite now. Pick one some jalapeños there. A little bit. All right, got a recipe. Going with 6 cups of water. And I'm gonna put that on hard. And then I need 6 cups of vinegar. Let's use distilled white vinegar. Pour that in there. Alright, making our brine there. Okay, I need 3 more cups of vinegar. Okay, then I'm gonna need, let's see if I can find my, alright, you bring that to a bowl. Let it melt down. While that's doing that thing, I have to sterilize me some few jars there. They are heavy. But yeah, set that up. Put some milk. Take some cloves of garlic and throw in there. Got my boy chopping up some peppers. You got nice small ones or medium. But take all these smaller ones and throw them in. Depends if you want a little crispy, a little soft. I got my boy Mikey. He's still chopping them up. Got a lot. So this batch, I thought I was recording earlier, but put them in the pot, letting them burn it to a ball, and time to 10 minutes, and then pull it out and let it get to room temperature. And then when they usually pop, they're ready for the cabinet. So I'm gonna show y'all that. So I got this done now. I'm gonna finish throwing some of these in there. Pickle that, and you can share that with the family. All right, we'll put that brine in the jars now. your little thingamabob on there. Push it down. Scoop it. Fill them up. Shit, might need some more brown by the time we finish. Okay. Don't forget to sterilize your lids or your lid caps. Get in there. Get in there. Tighten it up and loosen it up. Get ready for the next batch. Alright, waiting for them. We're gonna put some of these jalapeños. I guess I'll go with this. My little whatchamacallit in there. And we're gonna pour them all in there. I was gonna bring them to the chickens. I don't know if the chickens are gonna really eat them, but that's what I was gonna try for. So, cut them things big, man. Get some big old rings. Oh, you cut your fingers off. You only cut your fingers off if you get them too close. I need to find a bigger bowl for that. Alright. Definitely gonna need some more jars. Alright, you got that bag then? Yeah, I need some more in this bag. You can start putting the ends in one of these bowls for now. Let's see. That's a lot of peppers on. Then we're gonna cut some up. Bag. Shove that in there. Make that tight. Make it tight. Alright, let's stick some brown in there. And we do that like that. Let that sit right there until our lids are finished. Always forget that thing with blue. Got a little garlic peeling. You'll see. Oh, definitely gonna need some more brown. And see, it never goes to waste. You take your empty bottle of vinegar and you pour your extra brown and save that for next time. Good. It's kind of open. I can make some more brown for you. For the rest of this one. this time I realized my storage was full, so I could do a little breakdown on basically how I canned my jalapenos. Thank y'all for watching. I sterilize my jars. I put them in the water. When the water starts to boil, I time them for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes of boiling, I turn them off, take my jars out, add my peppers, and then put my brine in. Put my covers and caps back on. Leave your cover loose to let the air escape from the jar. When you put it back in the boiling pot, try to cover it right at the top with water. Come to a boil and time that for 10 minutes. Pull your jars out, set them on the side. And at that time, I usually retighten the lids a little bit. As it cools off, the lid would seal. Most time you could feel the top of the lid. If it's spongy, it didn't seal yet. And usually if they don't seal, I put them in the fridge, what we call down the ice box. And everything else could go into the pantry after it's cooled down. I hope y'all kind of learned something in this video. I'm trying. This is gonna be my first video. But y'all have a good day. Peace.